Ever wondered where the innovative minds behind those sleek, secure ELLIPAL Titan hardware wallets are actually based? It's a question that pops up quite a bit in the crypto space, and for good reason. Knowing the origins of a company, especially one entrusted with safeguarding your digital assets, can offer valuable insights into its operations and reputation. So, let's dive into the geographical heart of ELLIPAL. To understand where ELLIPAL operates, it's helpful to consider the global landscape of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. This industry is truly borderless, with innovation hubs springing up in various corners of the world. Companies involved in hardware security often benefit from access to specific technological expertise, manufacturing capabilities, and a supportive business environment. This global context sets the stage for understanding ELLIPAL's chosen location. The answer, in short, is that ELLIPAL is headquartered in Hong Kong. This vibrant and dynamic city has emerged as a significant center for technological development and financial innovation in Asia. Its strategic location, robust infrastructure, and pro-business policies have attracted numerous tech companies, including those in the burgeoning cryptocurrency sector. Hong Kong's position as a global financial hub provides ELLIPAL with access to international markets, facilitating its worldwide distribution and reach. Furthermore, the city boasts a strong legal and regulatory framework, which, while evolving in the crypto space, offers a degree of stability for businesses operating within it. This environment can be crucial for a company like ELLIPAL, which deals with the sensitive matter of cryptocurrency security. Beyond its headquarters, it's important to recognize that a global technology company like ELLIPAL likely has a network of partners, suppliers, and potentially even smaller operational units in other parts of the world. These could be involved in manufacturing components, software development, or customer support. However, the central command, the core of their operations and strategic decision-making, remains firmly rooted in Hong Kong. Choosing Hong Kong as a base offers several advantages for ELLIPAL. The city's proximity to manufacturing powerhouses in mainland China can streamline the production process for their hardware wallets. Its international airport and shipping infrastructure facilitate efficient global logistics. Moreover, Hong Kong's diverse talent pool provides access to skilled engineers, designers, and business professionals who are crucial for a company operating at the intersection of technology and finance. So, when you think of ELLIPAL and the security solutions they provide, picture the bustling cityscape of Hong Kong. It's from this energetic hub that their innovative hardware wallets are conceived, developed, and brought to the global cryptocurrency community. This location underscores their connection to a major center of technological advancement and their ambition to serve a worldwide audience. Understanding their geographical base provides a small but significant piece of the puzzle when evaluating the company and its offerings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.